Okay, so this is about a project which can detect multiple diseases in the chest X-ray. Okay, so this is the link of the project. It is in GitHub. I will add you so that you can access it. So
Okay.
I can make it public also. So this is, I'll send you the link here. So chat. This is the link for the project. So in this, this is differential diagnosis. So what you can do in here is that, so it runs this way. Uh, so there is always it starts with driver main. Okay. So
Okay.
driver main. So what you see here is it is training itself on a data set.
Okay.
Okay, and this is a data set of chest X-ray.
Okay.
Okay,
Just say okay, sir.
chest X-ray. So there are two things here. One is train, and one is predict.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the two things that happens here. So first we train it, and then we predict it.
Okay.
Okay, so for prediction we are using a deep classifier. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the main file. So I'm not giving you a project which is very huge.
Okay.
This is comparatively small and a single file. You only concentrate on the driver.main driver underscore main.py. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So
So
basically, the coding is done in Python, sir?
yeah, it's Python. It's Python. Everything is Python. So
Okay.
this is the pre-training. Before training, some process is there. Okay, and
Okay.
after that, this get features is an important part. I'll tell you. So what happens is that
Okay, sir.
um, whiteboard. So this is in this whiteboard. I'll tell you. So what happens? There are many neural networks already available in the market. Okay, like
Okay.
VGG16. Okay. Now this
Okay.
neural network is able to identify between various things in the world, between dogs, cats, human faces, beaches, holiday resorts, sky, ocean, water, salt, whatever. Okay. So this
Yes, sir.
neural network is trained in to identify all the most of the objects in the world. Okay, and so
Okay.
what we do is we do transfer learning. Transfer learning is what, since it is already able to identify most of the things in the world, so what we do is we remove the top part of this neural network and add
Okay.
one neural network for our purpose only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this becomes a transfer learning, so that we don't have to gather all that knowledge again. So
Okay.
so the original knowledge is intact here. For just fine tuning, we change the front layer and change it with our purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So our purpose is what? Our purpose is an X-ray, and this X-ray is either how much percentage it is COVID, how much percentage it is pneumonia, how much percentage it is tuberculosis, or all this. This is the output, right? So earlier, Earlier, this particular neural network was designed to identify everything in this world. Okay, almost. So now we just fine-tuned it for an X-ray.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the main job that is being done. Sorry, not here. There's a main job that has been done here in this data generator. Okay, so this data generator, I'll go a little bit. Data generator. See, in this data generator, if you see there are many types of classes, right? I
Yeah.
was telling you, right? All the
Yes,
types
sir.
of classes which is available for X-ray can have. Okay, so
Okay.
and if you see, we are extracting the features from the image. This image path is nothing but the X-ray. Okay,
Okay.
so for get features from the X-ray. Okay, and when you do get features, uh, we have this function get features. Okay, so here you see we call that feature extractor and get features, and just this feature is returned back, which is now given as an input to the neural network. Okay, the
Okay.
classification neural network. Okay, nothing else. So we are not training a lot of things on top of this. We are just doing a transfer learning, and with the help of transfer learning, we are able to do all the things. Okay. So in
Okay.
your synopsis, you will write is what are the points I'm telling you. You will write these things. First point is that you are doing a differential diagnosis of X-rays using transfer learning. Okay. So since this video will be recorded, you can pause and play and write your points. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then second is that here we are not training the model from the scratch because we are using transfer learning. So we have used a very well-known model that is being used for this purpose. So that is the VGG16. I'll show you the model. So we have used that data generator and not done the training from the scratch. Okay, so this is another one feature that we are reusing some code. Okay, okay. So
Okay, sir.
then another thing is that we are having a deep classifier which is multi-level. Okay, we have a multi-level classifier. Multi-level classifier means we can have more than one classes as the output.
Okay, sir.
Okay, more than one classes as the output. It is not only that it is normal, abnormal. It is like it is either normal, abnormal, tuberculosis, pleural effusions, COVID-19. All this can happen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so these are the main points of the project, and the project is working. This is a workable code. Anytime you take it, you can run it. Just the point is that there's a REST service also here. In case you don't want to run it as a CLI, you want to run it as a service, that also you can do. Okay. So
Okay.
that is also here. Anything else I'm missing? Feature extractor, yeah. So see VGG16 I was telling, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is the main model. This is the main model. This VGG16, right? I was talking about.
Yes, sir.
So here you see include top is equal to false I have written.
Yes,
That,
sir.
that means this top layer I am removing.
Okay.
So that is why VGG16 include top false, and then I am popping out that layer.
Okay, sir.
And then instead of that layer, I am adding my own layer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the main, this is the main trick. This part is the main trick of the entire project. So how you can use a pre-trained model, a well-known pre-trained model to solve your purpose with just replacing the topmost layer. That is the main idea behind the project. Okay, so this is a transfer learning. This is deep classification, but this is transfer learning. Okay, we are not learning everything from scratch here. We are directly using a model like VGG16, which is already trained on a lot of models.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this much will be enough for your synopsis.
Sir, synopsis is basically, yeah, I think this will do. I thought I had to do like after we record this, I'll be doing the presentation.
So you use this recording to create your PPT.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So put it on play and pause, and then pick up some points from the discussions that we had, and then
Okay,
create your PPT accordingly.
okay, sir. So for the
Okay.
synopsis part, how do I present it to myself? Because
So you
I
see,
have to
one
submit
thing
to all.
is, first thing is what are you trying to solve? Okay. So you are
Okay,
trying to solve, you are using artificial intelligence to do diagnostics. Okay,
okay,
this is your purpose. You are using artificial intelligence to do chest x-ray diagnostics. Okay,
okay,
second
sir.
is, what is the novelty in this, what is new thing in this? Okay, new
Yes, sir.
thing is that I am using, instead of human beings who will be sitting in front of the x-ray and analyzing it and generating reports, I can use a AI agent who can in parallel generate and analyze a lot of reports very fast.
Okay, sir.
So this is the novelty and this is the benefit of this project. Okay. Then after that it comes is, what all technology you have used in this project. So the technology mainly used in this project is deep learning for classification, and transfer learning for feature extraction.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then what is the state of the project? The state of the project is the design is complete, and so there you give two options. See, one is, I'll show you here. One is directly, this is a main function, right? In the main, you know Python, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in main, you can directly call predict, and you can predict a person. This is the X-ray file, right? So this is the Excel file and I am calling predict and I am getting the result. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is one way of using the tool, or you can also host this as a service.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So read a little bit about RESTful API. Okay.
Okay.
So here diagnose.py is a RESTful API where instead of a CLI, you will call a HTTP method which will return you the result.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this one is also one more point that we in this project, apart from the technologies used and deep learning and everything, I have two types of interfaces. One is CLI based interface and one is a service based interface.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and what else you can jot down for this. You have used a multi-level classifier. Okay, you have
Multi-level.
used multi-level classifier. So this project is more beneficial because it will give you percentage that how much it thinks that it is edema, how much it thinks it is pneumonia, how much it thinks it is pneumothorax. Okay, so it is a single model which is able to give multiple probabilities of different types of diseases. Okay,
Okay.
so instead of just yes or no, normal or abnormal, we are getting much enriched output.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this should be enough for your synopsis and outline. Stress on the factor that we are reusing a VGG16 model, CNN model, and that is the main attractiveness of this project because that model is a very famous model, and we are transfer learning from there, which is a new thing. So that is why it is so unique that with minimal effort, you see, we did not require a data set to train, right? We could directly
Yes.
use the model to start giving results, right? So in
Yes.
you can focus on this point more, that in any data science project, data gathering or collection of data is a very tough thing. Okay, so training the data, cleaning the data, pre-processing the data, these are all one part, but collecting and gathering of data is the main part. That is where many applications, machine learning applications fail. Okay, because they don't get clean and proper data. Okay, so here you have solved that
Okay, sir.
issue by using transfer learning.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So prepare this PPT, send me across before sending to your professor. I will see once and I will see if I can make any adjustments there and I will send you back.
Okay, sir. So even the synopsis also once I just send it to you because I'm going to be doing it from scratch, right?
Yeah,
So
so I will, for now you don't need the code, right?
no, we don't need the code anything as of now. He's just telling me to submit the synopsis tomorrow so that he'll
Ah,
get an idea what the project I'm going to be doing so that he'll approve.
okay, okay. So you will be doing everything, right? You will be doing all the parts. You will be doing the model, the transfer learning part. You will be doing the small whatever small training is there. That one you will be doing, and you will be doing the CLI and service based input output mechanism. All of this you'll be doing, right? So you can divide these all things among the members of your project, that you do this one person, you focus on under see, I am telling okay, this, take this in mind. I am telling you these things in a very general and easy way, but imagine you are doing this alone, so you have to read a lot of things for this, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So you have to read about what is transfer learning. Then you have to read about the VGG16 neural network model. Then you have to read about CNN, how CNN models work. Okay, because I have skipped all those steps and I am telling you transfer learning. Okay, assuming that you know all that, but I am sure you wouldn't be knowing those things. So what will happen is that give the synopsis as a PPT. Okay, but later on you will have to do a lot of groundwork of you already have the project with you. That is a good thing, but you have to understand each and every part of that project, right? So
Okay,
that
sir.
will be your main
Yeah.
job after this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and if I remain well, my health remains well, then I can help you with some materials so that you can read that, probably. So I don't see my health improving in the next 2 weeks. So let's see. Huh?
Okay, so it is the last working day of my college. So before 16th, they're telling us to, give the synopsis and approval, and then after which we will have our seminar.
Yeah. So can you write the synopsis by tonight?
Yeah, I'll just work on that.
Yeah. Try to see, listen to our recording multiple times. Okay. You will get an idea what I'm
Okay,
trying
sir.
to say. Okay. So after that,
Okay,
slowly,
sir.
slowly, in a white paper, write down the points and try to join the dots.
Okay, sir.
I know it is a little tough task, but it's unfortunate. I could have done it for you, but you can do it. I am sure you can do it. Just don't panic, and I will anyways review your synopsis. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
16th is the last date you said, right?
Yes, sir.
So try to send your synopsis to me by tonight, okay?
Okay, sir.
And I will maybe send you back by tomorrow morning, and then you can submit.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. So I will send you this recording. I will first upload this recording in my YouTube channel and then send the link to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.